Hello, we're going to take a little tour. I've been using these. You know what it is? It's a pot, fabric pot. So a lot of people know I dabble in gardening. Sometimes I have to use a cane, but I have to carry the laptop because I still can't figure out how to use the camera on the phone yet. So we're going to go outside and we're going to take a look at my garden so far. Okay, that's my bean plant right there. I still got to do a little work on it. Okay, and then I got different things growing out of it, out of my fabric pots. Now let's take a look. This is my fourth set for the season. I finished mowing down my lettuces. And I'm replanting with other stuff right now. And I've been planting on the gravel a little bit. That's chiso, it's a type of basil. That's one of my plants. If you've seen it early, it was horrible. Oh Lord, it was horrible. And then we have more of the chiso, which is a type of parsley. And I have a few things I trimmed over. This one I'm still working on. It's not as good as this one. This one I have a few issues on it, but I'll be working on it. Now a lot of people, they see my bushes and my trees and stuff like that. Everything I trim. Now this one is my, I forget which quad is it. Co-quat, low-quat, it's kumquat. I think it's kumquat, but I'm not too sure. I keep forgetting. It's a type of citrus-based quat. And there's my peach tree. I have my flowering bushes, my eggplant. Again with the fabric pot, if you can see that. Another one with the fabric pot. I have my roses that my nephews keep butchering. I keep telling them, only the dead flowers, don't take everything else. And you see that fabric in a regular container pot. It's one of my cucumbers. Hydrangeas. I love hydrangeas. Cactus. I have everything kind of planted pretty well. My other hydrangeas, I wish my nephew don't prune them. Lord, tired. I have my roses. And I gotta prune this one myself. Every time they prune it, it looks like they butcher it with a machine gun. And I've been planting and putting more, whatchamacallit, dirt. That's one of my hydrangeas. Getting old. My camellias finished blooming. My avocado tree. Again, I gotta stop them from pruning it. My apple, I can't forget, apricot tree. There's my apple tree. And I already got fruit on it. And I think another peach tree. Got one fruit on it. My roses. More cucumbers using the bags. See that? Here. And my tomato plant. Still working on it. Got a few green tomatoes on it. Yeah, it's working. Making sure everything fits alright. And my other tomato plants, which are doing good. And I gotta rewater some things. It's like, Lord, never have relatives work with you. Okay. Let's see if I can see the button.